Right, so yes, we've got a very nice Ferrari Portofino in with us, which we've been working on today. It's coming to us, this customer's brought it to us because he wanted to have the latest generation Apple CarPlay installing, so that's what we've managed to do in this particular car and integrate with an OEM system that's already there. So I just thought it'd be nice to show you what we can achieve. We can do various other Ferrari models now in here, so as you can see, obviously large screen in these Ferraris now in the newer generations. Everything is touchscreen, as you can see. It's very responsive in terms of obviously the action and everything else through in here, obviously, as you can see here. So it's completely seamless. Still integrates with the original Ferrari system, still integrates with this particular one's got a reversing camera in here, but just gives you that extra dimension now into the Ferrari interface, which obviously this particular car really deserves. So if you've got a Ferrari and it's lacking Apple CarPlay, then please don't hesitate to get in touch with us here at TTW Installations. We'll be very happy to undertake the job to add Apple CarPlay to your Ferrari. So please get in touch. You can give us a call on our office number, which is 01159 599 995.